Welcome to the Authority Property Management audio blog, where rentals, real estate, and reality collide. Whether you're renting it out, living in it, or thinking about investing, we've got insights, stories, and strategies to keep you in the know. Let's dive right into today's topic.
Year-end property investment review. Is it time to add to your portfolio? Make smarter investment decisions by reviewing your portfolio and planning strategically for the year ahead. As we approach the end of 2025, property owners in Redding and throughout Northern California have a unique opportunity to evaluate their investment performance and strategically plan for 2026. Whether you're managing a single rental property or overseeing multiple units, conducting a thorough year-end review can reveal valuable insights about your portfolio's health and future potential. Assessing your 2025 performance. Before considering expansion, take stock of how your current properties have performed this year. Here are the key metrics every property owner should evaluate. Cash flow analysis. Review your monthly cash flow statements for each property. Calculate your net operating income by subtracting operating expenses, maintenance, property management fees, insurance, property taxes, HOA fees, from your rental income. Has your cash flow improved, remained stable, or declined compared to 2024? Understanding these trends helps you identify which properties are your strongest performers and where improvements might be needed. Occupancy rates. How many days did your properties sit vacant in 2025? High occupancy rates typically indicate you're offering competitive rent at market value with well-maintained properties in desirable locations. If you experienced extended vacancies, this might signal the need for property improvements, rent adjustments, or enhanced marketing strategies before expanding your portfolio. Maintenance and repair costs. Tally up your maintenance expenses for the year. While some years bring unexpected repairs, consistently high maintenance costs on a particular property might indicate underlying issues. Properties requiring frequent repairs can significantly erode your returns and should be factored into any expansion decisions. Tenant turnover. Low turnover means you're retaining quality tenants, which saves you money on vacancy periods, marketing, screening, and turnover maintenance. If you've experienced higher turnover, working with a professional property management company like Authority Property Management can help improve tenant satisfaction and retention rates. The Redding market landscape. Understanding local market conditions is crucial when considering portfolio expansion. Redding's rental market has unique characteristics that savvy investors should consider. The area continues to attract residents seeking more affordable housing compared to major California metros, while offering access to outdoor recreation and a growing job market. When evaluating potential acquisitions, research neighborhood-specific vacancy rates, average rent prices, and demographic trends. Properties near Shasta College, medical facilities, and major employers often see consistent demand. Consider whether emerging neighborhoods might offer better appreciation potential than established areas. Strategic questions before expanding. Before adding to your portfolio, ask yourself these important questions. Do you have adequate reserves? Financial experts recommend maintaining reserves of at least 6 months of expenses per property. This cushion protects you against unexpected repairs, extended vacancies, or economic downturns. If expanding would deplete your reserves, it might be wise to wait and build additional capital first. Is your current portfolio optimized? Sometimes the best investment isn't a new property but improving what you already own. Strategic renovations, better property management, or rent adjustments might yield better returns than acquiring another property. Ensure your existing properties are performing optimally before spreading your resources thinner. What's your financing situation? Interest rates and lending conditions significantly impact investment returns. Review current mortgage rates and your ability to secure favorable financing. Consider whether you have equity in existing properties that could be leveraged, and evaluate if the numbers make sense given today's lending environment. Can you scale your management effectively? Adding properties means added responsibilities. If you're self-managing, honestly assess whether you have the time and systems to handle additional units. Many successful investors find that partnering with professional property management like Authority Property Management becomes essential as they scale, freeing them to focus on strategic growth rather than day-to-day operations. Tax considerations and year-end strategy. The final weeks of 2025 present specific tax planning opportunities. Consult with your tax advisor about strategies such as accelerating deductible expenses into 2025 if beneficial for your tax situation, evaluating cost segregation studies for recently acquired properties, reviewing depreciation schedules and ensuring you're maximizing available deductions, considering 1031 exchanges if you're thinking about selling underperforming properties to acquire better opportunities. Making strategic moves before December 31st can optimize your tax position, but these decisions should align with your overall investment strategy rather than be driven solely by tax considerations. Opportunities in the current market. Despite uncertainties, several factors make this an interesting time for portfolio expansion. Motivated sellers may be looking to close deals before year-end, potentially creating negotiation opportunities. Properties that have lingered on the market might be available at more favorable prices. Professional management advantages have become increasingly clear in recent years. Investors who work with experienced property management companies often see better tenant retention, faster lease-ups, and more proactive maintenance that protects property values. Long-term fundamentals remain strong in Northern California. Housing demand continues to outpace supply in many areas, and rental properties provide both cash flow and appreciation potential for patient investors. Making your decision. Expanding your portfolio is a significant decision that should be based on thorough analysis rather than emotion or market timing alone. Your 2025 performance review provides the data needed to make an informed choice. If your existing properties are performing well, you have adequate reserves, and you've identified opportunities that meet your investment criteria, adding to your portfolio before year-end could be an excellent move. However, if your review reveals areas needing attention, focusing on optimizing your current holdings might be the wiser strategy for now. How Authority Property Management can help. Whether you're considering expansion or working to optimize your existing portfolio, Authority Property Management offers the local expertise and comprehensive services to help you succeed. From detailed financial reporting and market analysis to tenant placement and property maintenance, we help property owners maximize their returns while minimizing stress. As you conduct your year-end review, we're here to provide insights into the renting market, discuss your goals, and help you make strategic decisions for 2026 and beyond. Our team understands that every investor's situation is unique, and we tailor our approach to support your specific objectives. Ready to review your portfolio's performance and explore your options? Contact Authority Property Management today to schedule a consultation. Let's work together to ensure your real estate investments are positioned for success in the coming year.
Thanks for tuning into the Authority Property Management audio blog. For more expert landlord or tenant tips, local market updates, and property management support, visit us at authoritypm.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or even drop us a review. Follow us on social media for the latest. Until next time, stay informed, stay profitable.